All right, guys. Next up, we're doing the first and only box we've got of the Hit Parade Autograph Basketball Series number 6, and this is the LeBron series. So I was able to score one box of this. They weren't cheap. One box out of the 100. Excuse me. Excuse me. One box out of the 100 has got a LeBron jersey. So you're telling me there's a chance. This is the one. Box 89, hopefully we'll pull it out of this. Got a ton of other big names in there as well. So every spot's gonna give you 3 random teams. So Brent, you've got 3 in this. Lance with 1, Rick M with 3, John M with 1, Joseph with 1, and then Chris W, you've got 1 as well. All right, so it's a Cavs jersey too, so that's what you're hoping for in this one. So let's go ahead and randomize the teams first. We'll mix this up 5 times. All right, we'll mix this up 5 times as well. All right, here we go. So, Brent, you've got the Nets, the Suns, the Wizards, the Bulls, the Pistons, the Lakers, the Nuggets, Bucks, and the Mavs. Chris W. with the Trailblazers, the Raptors, and the Thunder. John's got the Grizzlies, Pacers, and the Pelicans. Joseph's got the Heat, Clippers, and Kings. Lance has got the Warriors, the Jazz, and the Hawks. And then Rick's got them. Got the Celtics, the Spurs, the Magic, the Knicks. You got the Cavs for LeBron, Rockets, Timberwolves, Hornets, and the Sixers. So, Rick, let's see if we can get you a LeBron to go with that Kobe jersey we pulled you a while ago. All right, box 89. Come on, LeBron. It is not LeBron. Oh, dude. Back to back on this guy. Just pulled his card out of Super Break. Now we're going with a D'Angelo Russell. So let's see. Black jersey. Brooklyn Nets. So Brooklyn is going to Brent. So it is a Fanatics, nice logo man jersey. It says Go Nets right there, even though he doesn't play for them anymore. Not bad. Definitely not the LeBron we were hoping for. But we will get that jersey in the mail on Tuesday. So, Brent, congratulations, man. So we'll be on the lookout for more. I know Dave and Adams just posted. They've got some more, I think, more Jordan shoes. So I'm going to keep a lookout for that. And we'll do more of these hopefully in the near future.